If you're looking to reduce body roll and significantly enhance your Mark 8's cornering ability, starting with a Whiteline rear sway bar is a fantastic first upgrade. Hi, I'm Lucas from Whiteline, and today we're going to take a closer look at the Whiteline rear sway bar for the Golf Mark 8. But what is body roll? Have you ever felt the body of your car rolling whilst going around a corner? Well, that's body roll. A proper sway bar reduces that body roll and enhances your car's performance. Here's why the Whiteline rear sway bar stands out. Whiteline uses a solid 24mm sway bar, greatly reducing flex and enhancing cornering precision compared to standard bars. 2-point adjustability. Easily adjusts stiffness levels to match your driving preference. Perfect for daily use and spirited drives. Polyurethane bushes. Durable polyurethane bushes replace factory rubber, reducing unwanted flex and improving responsiveness. Heavy-duty high-articulation end links are also included in these kits, maintaining proper suspension geometry even under aggressive driving conditions. Drivers who have upgraded their rear sway bar have consistently noticed better handling, better performance, and reduced body roll. If you're ready to take your Mark 8 Golf to the next level, head over to the Whiteline website today, and if you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below.